Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Nvts. This is Navitas Semiconductor. You can see this one down today just under 10%, 9.48 to be exactly precise. I'm going to be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on this over tonight's video. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, please do remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so do make sure you are doing your own research and coming to your own conclusions. Now, a few things to note with this one. Of course, we are seeing a big red day today. However, you are still seeing the stock hold onto this 12.50 range for the most part. This is significant. This is what we saw back on Wednesday the 15th. We'd like to see this hold as a support. Again, this comes at a time when the RSI is dropping very close to being in the oversold, and again at the same time from these lows that we have seen, lows that we've seen previously as well, you have seen the stock increase slightly. This is good, and we have also seen this one move above resistance that we saw around that time. This was right around the 13.30 mark. If you can see this one continue to push up into tomorrow, resistances could come in around $14, maybe up to $14.50, possibly slightly higher than that, up to $15.18, $15.20, $15.25. If you do see this one go down, again, we're looking to retest that level. But really, I don't want to see the stock drop below that. If you do see it, I think the next level below that could be around 1180. So again, this could be a very critical level. Just watch this one, in my opinion. I think the downside could be very interesting. And again, it's going to be very fascinating to see whether that holds up. That's my opinion. I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.